Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Topicals High Roller Ingrown Hair Serum, a roll-on tonic designed to soothe and calm irritated skin while targeting those pesky ingrown hairs and razor bumps. If you've struggled with bumps on your face, armpits, or bikini area, this product aims to be the solution you've been searching for. The High Roller Serum comes in a convenient 1.7 fluid ounce roll-on bottle, making it easy to apply precisely where you need it without any mess. Its gel-like texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no sticky residue behind. This serum is formulated with powerful exfoliating acids, including salicylic acid and glycolic acid. Known for their ability to gently exfoliate the skin, unclog pores, and prevent hair follicles from becoming trapped beneath the surface. Beyond exfoliation, the serum works to soften bumps and soothe irritated skin. It targets buildup that can cause ingrown hairs, helping to clear the way for hairs to grow naturally without causing discomfort or inflammation. The formula is also vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical beauty standards for those who care about what's in their skincare products and how they are made. Using the High Roller is simple. You apply it directly to clean, dry areas of concern, whether that's your face, underarms, or bikini line, 2 to 3 times a week or as needed. Its targeted application means you're not wasting product over large areas, which helps maximize its effectiveness and lifespan. This product stands out for its multi-use capabilities. Not only does it help eliminate existing ingrown hairs and razor bumps, but it also works proactively to discourage the formation of new bumps, making your skin smoother and softer over time. Its soothing properties mean it's designed to calm redness and irritation often associated with shaving or waxing. The High Roller Serum fits well into any skincare routine, especially for those prone to ingrown hairs or textured skin in delicate areas. Because it contains exfoliating acids, it's recommended to use sunscreen when applying it as part of your daily regimen to protect your skin. Overall, the Topicals High Roller Ingrown Hair Serum offers a targeted, effective approach to managing ingrown hairs and razor bumps. With its thoughtfully crafted formula and convenient application, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to maintain smooth, clear, and calm skin in sensitive areas. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews.